What's up, everyone? Heavy D coming back at you with another edition of the 2-minute warning. This is our series where we see, can I get the job done in 2 minutes? We've done 10 Pop-Tarts, a 2-liter bottle of soda. We have a video to be coming out shortly where we do eggs together. We meaning I am Heavy D, and usually on camera duty and sometimes next to me, but she is gone for the new year. Happy New Year, everyone, in New Jersey, B. Rose. And so we do food challenges, food reviews, and sprinkle in some healthy cooking, because I lost 100 pounds doing intermittent fasting, 1 meal a day, and have been featured on fitness websites for doing food challenges and being able to lose weight. So today, on this 2-minute warning, I want to thank Big Eater Mike. I'll put his video down there, and I guess Badlands Booker did this, and then my buddy G-Force did it. I'm going to see if I can do it in 2 minutes. I'm not anywhere close to as good as they are. I have 2 bottles of sparkling apple cider. Happy New Year. I'm ringing it in all by myself, watching the new Taylor Swift Reputation on Netflix here. It's going to be a doozy. But let's shut up and see what we got for the 2-minute warning. In 3, 2, 1, go. We won. We did it in approximately 41 seconds. I think I could have done the first one faster. But what you gonna do, right? I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm new to this. We don't have a lot of subscribers, but B Rose and I appreciate every single one of you. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Our big announcement is I'm going to be moving to Vegas in a few weeks. She's going to man the Colorado fort for a while before she moves out to Vegas. So that's our New Year treat. So we'll be moving out there. And yeah, we appreciate all your support. Please leave us any ideas for 2-minute warning. And until the next time, if you could please like, share, and subscribe, we would appreciate that as well. The next adventure, stay hungry, my friends, and let's have an awesome 2019.